Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I'm going to show you yet another edge tutorial, and if you want to see all my other edges, then go ahead and check out the playlist on my channel page. So today I'll show you how to do this chain arch edging. This is very simple, so let's begin. To begin this edge I started with a row of single crochet. I assume that you all know how to do that. Then I will chain one and then turn. Then I will begin the chain arch edging. So skip your turning chain, move on to the second stitch and single crochet into this. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then skip a stitch, move on to the second one, this one, and single crochet into this. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then skip a stitch, move on to the second one, single crochet into this. And that's just how you continue. So, chain 3, skip a stitch, move on to the second one, and single crochet. So just chain 3, skip 1, 1 single crochet, and finally it looked like this. That's it. Bye! Var den god nok, eller hvad? Okay. Woohoo!